Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Pointe West 3-bedroom/3 bath with 2-car garage and in mint condition. End unit with great light and near clubhouse and pool. Natural gas cooking and water heater. All tile first floor and all laminate on second floor. Granite counters and stainless appliances add to the value of this perfect home. Great as a second home for the winter, vacations, or as a year-round home. Just lock and leave.